So in our last video, I explained that I had no knowledge or idea of what to do when it came to using ETS and because I've not tried it before. So I gave a tutorial list. I gave this that we should try to read about ETSO, because ETSO, from my knowledge and what we saw last time we met, ETSO is what is going to help us to integrate Ecto into our ETS table. So with our help of our friend ChatGPT, so I did some research using ChatGPT, to see how to configure ETSO and how to use it to achieve our setting goals. So I asked him a question. So I did a lot of questions and answering over here. So I'm just gonna share to give a line-by-line explanation of the code. So the previous code I asked was how to use ETSO and ETS. So I said give a line-by-line. So he said, so if you see dev module, expiring date, and everything like that, and how we're going to achieve everything we need to in order to integrate our ETS table into our project very well, because we need to save those, we need to save it. No matter what we want to do, we need to save that URL. So let's start by first of all coming over here, and we just need to see first of all we need to add the dependency. So coming to our mix file, we're going to find our mix.es and the dependency. So we've done that. I just want us to do some configuration before we kick off to start, like before we run the server. So in our config, so we're going to find our config file. So URL Shortener. So we're gonna say config URL Shortener, URL .repo. So because we're going to add a repo file and adapter, so we are going to put the adapter dot. So this is Hoshare, but we are going to use ETSO dot adapter. So ETSO is just like Ecto when you're just doing a normal migration, but this time around we need it to. So we need to do our repo. So what are we going to add? This repo. So where are we going to add this repo? This application.ex. So I need to set up a repo module in our lib. So let's find out how to set up a repo module. So I'm just going to do a sneak peek to a previous project I have worked on to see where to put the repo. This is my baby over here. I just need to do a very sneak peek into my baby. It's still under development. yeah, this project I'm still trying to build it up, but I ran out of an idea, so it's still under here. So the project is about a giftopia, like ChatGPT giving you gift idea. So you see it's under the giftopia repo.system. But if you see from our project, we don't the structure of our project now, if you look at it in this structure, we have a URL, we have, so it's over here we are supposed to add the repo. So over here now, so this is where we have add repo.ex. So come in here, repo.ex. So just we're gonna copy this, but we are going to change it. So we're going to change it to just that is coming in from this project. So coming over here, you know, ours is not Utopia, is URL Shortener, not web. So we're just going to remove the web. So it's going to be like this, the repo, and use the repo. Now we're going to use E2S because that's our adapter. It's not Postgres. Current now, so it's E2S.adapter. So that is so.adapter. I hope this is what I use when doing the configuration. Just need to confirm I didn't make mistake. Yeah, it's .adapter. So that's all. So we're going to want we could close this up. Going to run mix format. Oh yeah, we're supposed to run these steps again. Before we run these steps again, let's go to the application.ex and do a bit of modification. Sorry. So URL. So we have to add the repo under the children. So here we have a telemetry, but we now say the web repo. So it's going to be at the top. This is how we're gonna just okay, so that's all. So coming over here, let's start get. So in that place now, we are going to now do a, oh my god, I don't know, I'm stretching. I'm stretching. Okay, so found out that E2S depend on ETS 3.0, so we have to come to our mix dependency. Where does so we have to give it this version. Okay, so that has worked. Then we just start the project, and so let's get it started. So this was why we couldn't move forward the last time, because we didn't have any idea. We just wanted to just dive in and use Ecto into ETS, and we realized that it's not really, it's going to take a lot of hard coding. So that's why they created this library here. So it's an ETS adapter allowing you to use Ecto schema with ETS table. So within this library, a bare bone adapter is provided. The adapter spins up your ETS for each So I believe you would have read this, and why uploading video. In the description I would also put a link to this, so in case if you were not able to like read it up the last time we met, it would be nice if you just go through it.